highs in the lower 50s, lows in the lower 30s. For more detailed weather, water, and climate information, please... This is a practice test warning message from the National Weather Service as part of severe weather preparedness week for the state of Georgia. Once again, this practice test warning message will remain in effect until 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be no follow-up statement issued. This concludes the test warning message from the National Weather Service.
Troops stationed along the border.
Moscow has consistently maintained that it has no intention to invade Ukraine. But today the Kremlin did confirm that military drills in Belarus were not unrelated to rising tensions. Russia has sent anti-aircraft missiles and fighter jets to Belarus.
This is a practice test warning message from the National Weather Service as part of severe weather preparedness week for the state of Georgia. Repeating, this is only a test. This practice test is in effect until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for all of Georgia. Had this been an actual warning, please think about what you would do right now if you were at home, at work, or in your car. Know the tornado safety rules to protect yourself and your family. This test warning is conducted annually during severe weather preparedness week to allow schools, businesses, emergency managers, and the public to exercise their tornado safety procedures. Once again, this practice test warning message will remain in effect until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be no follow-up statements issued. This concludes the test warning message from the National Weather Service. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Warning message will remain in effect until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the Gainesville listening area. Today, sunny. Patchy frost early. Highs in the upper 50s. West winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, clear. Patchy